갑자기 내게 나타나준 너, 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에
Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you all are doing great. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching this video from. Yeah, thank you all my wonderful and amazing subscribers. Thank you for your love and your support. I appreciate it. Oh my god, you guys are so amazing. And yeah, if today is the first time you are stopping here, my name is Angela. Okay, and please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you know anytime I upload a new video. In today's video, we are going to cook what? Ofor soup. Yeah, you hear it right. Ofor soup is one of the Igbo soup, but mainly cooked by Imo State. Yes. So guys, I want to make this soup and I want to carry you guys along. Let's make this soup and enjoy it. Enjoy it because the soup is so sweet. It's good with any type of fufu, your apple, your yam fufu, and it's very good for any type of fufu. So I'm going to make this soup and I want you guys to join with me. Let's go and make the soup together. Okay, come with me. Let me introduce the ingredients I will be using. Here are the ingredients I will be using for making this Ofor soup. As I said, the Ofor seed is like this. You can see the seed. It's like this. This is the seed. When it has not been blended, this is the blended one. Okay. Then I will be using stockfish and the catfish. Then I will be using okazi as the vegetable. Then I have my crayfish, salt, ogiri, palm oil, and the blended uziza seed. Okay, over here in the pot, I've already washed the meat. Then I will go and wash the stockfish. I will be back. Okay, now I will add the stockfish. I will add 1 cup of water for the meat. Cover it. Allow it to cook at this for 5 minutes before I will start adding other ingredients. I want to boil water because I want to soak this okazi leaf. We know that okazi is a very hard leaf, so I have to boil hot water and add and soak it for at least 10 minutes, good 10 minutes before I will add it to soup. So now I want to boil hot water. Here I want to blend the crayfish and the scotch bonnet. I want to blend them. I will wash it. I want to wash the pepper. Then wash the crayfish. Okay, now the hot water has boiled. I will now add it into my okazi leaf. I will now soak the okazi. Here is the okazi. I soaked it with hot water. You can see it. Then I will leave it I will leave it for good 10 minutes because it's a very hard vegetable. It's a very hard vegetable. Okay, let me set it aside. Let's check on the meat. Yeah, the meat is boiling. Now I will add salt. I will add my salt. Then add the blended oza seed. I will now add more water. You will add the water according to the quantity of soup you are cooking. I want to add the blended scotch bonnet and crayfish. I will now add the red oil. After adding my red oil, I will now stir it. I will now add the seasoning cubes. Then I will cover the pot, allow it to be cooking. I will put back the oil. Yeah, let's wait for the soup to cook. Let me explain something for you before I will start adding my ofor inside this soup. So ofor is a very hard thickener. Ofor na ofe too much, or na ofe agidi. Instead of you ofor agidi. So if you're adding your ofor, be adding it bit by bit. Because if you add it at a go, your ofor will turn to agidi soup. Because when you are adding your ofor, be checking, add 1 spoon, allow it to cook before you add another one. So that not when you finish cooking your wonderful soup, you want to make a delicious soup and it turn out to be agidi, and your husband will be like, what is this? Is this ofe or agidi? Is this soup or agidi? To avoid the story that will touch my heart and also touch your heart, and the story that will touch her, Biko, be checking. So this is what I want to explain to you guys before I will add this my ofor inside this soup. So
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너, 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 내 맘을 고백하려고.
this is the okasi. I want to remove it from the hot water now and wash it. Then I will pour some cold water. I will now leave it inside the cold water. Now let's check the soup and know how it's doing before we're going to add our ofor. Yeah, I will go ahead and check the soup. Okay, the soup is bubbling. The oil is okay. I will stir it and go ahead and test for the salt. Then after testing for the salt, I found out that the salt is okay. Then I will go ahead and add
the ogiribo. After adding ogiribo, now it's time for me to add the ofor. Remember that I said that ofor you need to be adding it bit by bit. I will go ahead and add the ofor. I will add like 4 tablespoons of ofor and then stir it and cover it to cook for at least 5 minutes before I will come back and check if I get the consistency I need. Remember that I said once you are cooking your ofor soup, you have to be adding your ofor bit by bit till you get the consistency you need, because if you add all your ofor at a stretch, your soup may turn to agidi soup. Yeah guys, there's another thing I want to explain. There's difference between achi and ofor. Achi is more lighter than ofor. Yeah, for those of us living outside Nigeria, if you go to African store to buy achi, they will not give you achi, rather they will give you ofor. That's why if you buy achi in African shop and you want to make achi soup, your soup will turn out to be very thick, because that thing they give you there is not achi, rather it's ofor. So if you are cooking, be checking. If you are adding the substance, be checking. So I'm back to check the soup, and yeah, I have gotten the consistency I need. I don't need to add more ofor again. So if you buy that one in African shop, just cook it this way, you will like it. Just add it bit by bit, don't add it at a go, because that thing they give you in African shop is not achi, it's ofor. Now it's time for me to add my okas leaf. Okazi is the last thing for this soup, and my soup is ready. Yeah, before I forget, all the Omuada in the building, if you are coming, come with your akpo. I don't have to swallow akpo for you guys. So I have already cooked the soup. So come with your akpo on the next Omuada meeting, Mposenkwo. See you guys on Mposenkwo meeting. After the meeting, we are going to enjoy this Igbo soup. Oyibo people not the eat akpo, not the eat soup for this kind soup. So make you know. Make una no come after me. Yeah, when I finish adding the okas, my okas leaf, I will now cover it, allow it to cook for 3 minutes again before I will now bring it down, and the soup is ready. Yeah guys, this is the outcome of our ofor soup. The soup turned out so delicious and yummy. So guys, thank you for watching. May Almighty God bless you guys. See you on my next video. Bye. God bless you and remain blessed. Oh God, too much.